What's up, YouTube?
Guys!
So, my name is Tarun.
And my name is Prem.
So, from Friends Challenges. Why are you waiting? Let's start
our
our
episode.
So, this is our logo, new logo, Friends Challenges logo. Today, our episode is about facts of science and facts of birds. Let's get started.
This is science. Science is a systematic experiment that builds and organized knowledge in the form of testable explanations and predictions about the universe. The earliest roots of science can be traced in ancient Egypt and Mexico in around 3500 to 3000 BCE. Now my friend Tarun will continue about birds.
Yeah, I'm telling about birds. So friends, you all know these are birds. So these are birds. These are birds. So birds are a group of warm-blooded vibrates consuming the class aves characterized by feathers, toothless beak jaw. The layers of hard shells, eggs, and high metabolic rate, a 4-chambered heart, and strong yet lightweight skeleton. Birds have lightweight skeleton to fly easily. Okay, so birds also have their wings are also bones. Okay, the bones is very thick. Not thick, very soft, that can be foldable. Okay, because the bird's skeleton is very lightweight. If you like this video,
Please share and subscribe
and click bell icon
at the side.
for more subscriptions.
And thank you for
Watching. See you in next video. If you like this video, smash the like button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.